Yesterday we made a big change in our program. We changed the way the data is stored. Because before yesterday the data was simply stored in variables, and that meant whenever the user closed the program, the data would get lost. So the user experience couldn't be more terrible than that. We changed all that by storing the data in a text file, in this todos.txt text file. To implement that, we did these changes in the code. So when the user wants to add a to-do, we get the to-do from the user using an input function again, and then we see what existing to-dos we have in the file. So we open the file in read mode. You see R here. And we store the to-dos in a to-dos list. So we need to have that list because later we append the user to-do in this to-dos list. And then, of course, this to-dos list has to be written back to the file. To do that, we open the file in write mode, and that overrides the existing file. But that's okay because we already have the content that the file had, so we have it in to-dos. Therefore, we write the to-dos list in the file. So now the to-dos list will contain the existing data plus the new to-do which was added in here. And so we close the file here and we are done with that. We also implemented this in the show methods, and here we only wanted to read data, so we only opened the file in read mode, as you can see in here. We get the data in a to-dos list, we close the file, and then we iterate over that to-dos list. So to-dos list was created here, we iterate in here, and we print out the data as we did before. So that's what we did previously. We still have to make some important changes to our program, we still have to improve it, so let's improve it in the next videos today. See you!